No matter where you're from, no matter how you grew up, plant-based eating is for you. And my plant-based mission is to show people from all different cultures that they can enjoy plant-based eating while also celebrating their heritage. I'm Chef Eddie Garza, and today we're gonna be making some Fudgy Cacao Bliss brownies. So the first step is we're gonna mix our sugar in with our shortening. All right, we're gonna set this aside and now mix our dry ingredients. Baking powder and some salt. And we're just gonna whisk this together. We want this to look crumbly and well integrated before we add our other wet ingredients. Some almond milk, some vegetable oil, and some vanilla extract. All right, looks like we're there now. It should be messy and delicious. And this is the texture you want. It's supposed to be like fudgy and delicious before we add walnuts or pecans. Now we're gonna add the secret ingredient. It's Yes Cacao. I love this brand because they, give back to the community, they source ethically, and they incorporate botanicals into their cacao, which is why I love this and why I named it my Fudgy Cacao Bliss Brownies, because these are supposed to inspire blissfulness. And these are gonna be really, really chocolatey, really fudgy, delicious. Now we're just gonna fold these together, make sure it's all well incorporated. Now we're gonna put this into a pan and bake this at 275 degrees for a little bit under an hour. Now I'm gonna line this with just a little bit of parchment paper and spray this down. Now watch the magic happen. So now it's nice and even, and we're gonna go ahead and bake this for 55 minutes, and it's gonna be delicious. All you chocolate lovers are gonna lose it over this recipe. It's so simple to do, and that Yes Cacao really did add that extra fudginess to these brownies. Let's dig in.